What's happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Today I got something. This came the other day. This is from Paldo. It's Mr. Kimchi. Hello, Mr. Kimchi. Korean original noodle series. Kimchi ramen. 3 minutes. Yeah, throw everything in a pot with 500 mils of water and cook it for 3 minutes. And that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. It also mentions you should enjoy it. There's 2 sachets. Big old beefy noodle block. So let's take the water, bring it over here, drop our noodles in. Come on, don't make a mess. There you go. And I'll put sachet action in right now. This is from Paldo, if you didn't realize. Starting to get kind of a nice little collection of noodle company attire for doing videos. I'm into that. I didn't think it would come together so quickly. I'm pretty jazzed on it. Apparently companies like it when I wear stuff with their logos on it. And I'm cool. I don't care. That means I get to wear it whenever I want. And I like to wear clothes. Well, I guess I do. I prefer, you know, hang out, chill with clothesless, but, you know, I don't do that on my show. And I'm not going to start doing that on my shows. But, yeah. Clothing. Yeah, taking pictures of junk, and it's Thursday right now. Tomorrow is Friday. There should be another package coming today, so I might have to like do a video for that. This one I'm doing right now came in a 4-pack, and Paldo sent 2 4-packs, so basically I can cook this one up, and then tomorrow I can do all the pictures and stuff and get that post all ready. Which is nice. I love multi-packs. I don't like to buy them, but if you want to send them, please. Is this burner on? Oh no. Okay. I'm like, is the burner next to me on? It shouldn't be, but it's not. It's because I had the pot that had boiling water in it, and that went. I'm going to do this one a little different. I'll give it a taste, and then I'm going to put it back on the burl the noodles. I'm sorry. That's what I'm going to do. And if you don't like that, then I suggest you get your priorities straight. My priorities today involve drinking a lot of Mountain Dew. This one's another Texas one. It's like 3 of these. No, there was a Indiana and 2 Texases. But yeah, come on, cook. It's supposed to rain. I'm hoping it doesn't. I've got a pretty good amount of steps in on the day. Man, I've ratcheted up the amount of walking that I do so much. It might be in the apartment, but still, it's a lot now. I'm averaging... This week I have like... I keep bouncing around 210 and 216,000 steps for the last 7 days. which is about 15 miles a day. And the first 2 days of this week, I hit 40,000. So that's a lot. Granted, I know there's discrepancy and it's not always totally correct. But I figure if I'm walking around for that much time, then, oh wow. A Ramen Hero one. It just amazes me. I get so much swag from all these companies, and I'm like, oh yeah, I have that. Oh yeah, I have that. And I appreciate it. Let's try this out. This is Mr. Kimchi. Mr. Kimchi is freaking hot. Broth. Lovely. I like that. But now we're gonna do things a little different. This is the part that I warned you folks about. I got some beef that I'm gonna drop in here and then boil the heck out of it. Because it behooves me. And here's a bowl of noodles that I just did up that's got to go down the drain. But while I wait, I'll just eat some of that. I'll eat the chicken. I did record numbers for that in my thing. This is that soy sauce chicken white ramen. Yeah, I'm impressed with this one. Generally, if I make something that contains like baked chicken, I cook the chicken breast and then I weigh it and I figure I can either have it now or I can have it for dinner. But yeah, I had it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now it's just a matter of stirring this stuff till it gets to that critical point of not killing the beef, but beefing the beef. One of my favorite names of an instant noodle, it's from the Philippines. It's by Lucky Me, and it's called Beef. Then it has N-A, beef, na, and then it has beef. Beef na beef. I don't know why, I freaking love saying that. Beef na beef. Beef na beef. But back to this kimchi noodle. This has a really, really good kimchi flavor to it. I'm impressed. I'm not gonna say that it's like unbelievable because I've had lots of kimchi noodles in the past, but I like this one. Not that there are many that I dislike, but it's got the right kind of kimchi thing going on. crazy on that. I kind of wish I hadn't. It's difficult because, like I've said before, mung bean sprouts are fickle. They either want to work with you or they don't. And if they don't, you're going to have like a bunch of really, really bright white crap in your bowl. Unless you bring it back to a boil and let them cook down and get all bendy. It's kind of like melting them in a way, but it's not. It's just making them wilt. Ibo nabo, nuba diba bo diba ba ba bo 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 bo. I have no idea what I'm saying. I could be telling somebody to take the dog out because he's barking in our room, but I don't think I am. Okay. So now we got mung bean sprouts and beef and broth and noodles. Now we're talking. Wow. Okay, and what else do we like? Oh, piece of crap. Now I'm irritated. It's my fault, but I'm irritated. So I'm gonna have to make up for this. Only one way to make up for a dead yolk. I mean, that thing just like fell apart. That's sad. I'm gonna put processed cheese right on top right here. And I know some of you are gonna be like, that's a travesty. Yeah, that's like putting mayonnaise on it or Miracle Whip. It's like a horrible cultural travesty. No, it's not. They do this in Korea, dude. I don't know. I'm here to educate you guys on some things. And if you didn't know that, you could put cheese on ramen. Now you do, and you've been missing out because it's freaking good. Especially on like a kimchi one, because this kind of has a tang to it and a nice almost tomatoey, tangy, a little bit of spice. You add that beef in there and you get the fat from the beef that comes off in the broth, so that livens that up. And you add a little bit of cheese, you add an egg, you add you're not here. You're not allowed to be here. We have a restraining order against you. No, we've got you put, or I put the spring onion on. This isn't going to be the swearing episode. But I did just drop mung bean sprouts and little bits of spring onion on the floor. I'm going to go with a little bit of black. There are mung bean sprouts on my freaking sandals. That cheese needs to melt, so just hang on a second. Okay? I'm gonna clean this up really quick. I don't want to let it sit. I don't want it to fester. Alright? I got it all. My wife just like cleaned the floor the other day. Oh, here's more. What's up, Miles? What's up, Miles? Come here. You want to come say hi? Oh, he just said hi. Let's see. The cheese is almost cheesed. What if I think everything I do to this makes it just a little bit worse. Yeah, like that. Why did I do that? I want the cheese to be super melty. Paldo, I apologize for my cheese. Not complacency, but I'm a little. What the heck is going on? Damn it. Oh, the hell with it. Noodle. All right. Well, hey, thanks for hanging out, despite the accident. But yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.